Hey there, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can create inventory management system using Laravel, and I will actually do this using a free AI, and that is OpenCore CLI. And this is really simple. Let me show you all the process step by step. So as it is a Laravel project, we need XAMPP because XAMPP will provide us server, and PHP server-side script language. Laravel is a framework, right? PHP framework. So we need a server for this. So XAMPP will provide us the server, a localhost server, and XAMPP will provide us the database server also, MySQL server. Okay. So I have asked for a prompt here in the chat GPT. You can actually go with Google Gemini. Okay. Basically, it's up to you. You may actually continue with any chatbot, and then you can mention all the necessary things what you need, and then you can actually ask for a prompt. So we just have to give the prompt, and then the rest of the work will be done by this AI. So this is a command base or command line interface AI extension. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually install this and how you can create the project. So first of all, if you want to install this in your PC, you have to have two things in your PC. Basically, for the OpenCore CLI, you need only one thing, and that is Node.js. So you have to install Node.js. And after that, for the Laravel project, we need Composer, okay, and XAMPP. XAMPP will provide us server, okay. We will actually use XAMPP PHP. And then Composer will actually help us to create the project, okay, Laravel project. All right, we can create the Laravel project through Laravel new also, but Composer will actually create the project globally, okay. That's it. Now I will show you all the process, and the first of all we have to actually go for the Composer. So go for the Composer and download it. Go for the Composer, get composer.org, okay, and then download this. If you're from Linux, you have to copy all of them, and I'll suggest you to go with the chat GPT and then ask for that how you can install XAMPP and Composer in Linux. So it will show you all the process step by step, and I'm not going to show you because this video will be very long if I show all the process. I will show you just the project creation, okay. So if you're from Windows, you just have to actually download the .exe, okay, and then you need Node.js. So go for the Node.js, and if you click here download, it will actually directly take you to the download page. And if you scroll a little bit down, if you're from Windows, there will be Windows option, and you will find here .msi file. So download this and install it in your PC. If you're from Linux, you have to actually copy this, copy to clipboard, okay, copy this and go for the terminal and paste all of them here. Just paste them, okay, paste them. That's it. I already installed them, so I'm not going to do this once again. I don't have to do this basically. And then you have to go for the XAMPP. So as I mentioned that you have to actually go for the chat GPT, and then if you're from Linux, just ask chat GPT that how you can download XAMPP, and make sure you have set XAMPP PHP globally so that you can create Laravel project globally, okay. That's it. All right, now you have Node.js, XAMPP and Composer installed in your PC. I'm assuming that you can do this, and now I'll show you rest of the process. Now go to the terminal, and you have to say here node-v. Then you will get the Node.js version. It means you have successfully installed it. And after that, you have to say php-v. And if you find this, it means you have set PHP globally. And after that, you need Composer. So type composer-version. Here you will find Composer version, you can see. All right. So we have Composer, PHP and Node.js. Now we have to download or install command line interface, and that is OpenCore CLI. So to install this, you have to say here npm, okay. Let me just clear the screen at first. So I'm going to say clear, and here I have to say npm I for the installation, -g to install it globally, space OpenCore -AI at latest. Now if you hit enter, then it will actually install OpenCore AI extension globally. I already installed it. Let me show you. If I say here after the installation OpenCore -version, it will show me the version here, you can see. So I have successfully installed it, right? Now where I have to create the project, I have to go there. So let's go to the folder, create my project globally, so I can create anywhere in my PC. So I'm going to create in this download section. Here I'm going to create a new folder at first, so that my project gets separated from other project. So here I'm going to say inventory -AI. Let's go inside the project, and here I'm going to open terminal and here I'm going to open code because I have installed it globally, right? So I'll say here open code and I'll hit enter, then open code will be open here. All right, we got here open code, and here I have to paste the prompt what I have actually asked here in this chat GPT. If you mention here manually, you cannot actually mention all the things properly, right? So here you can see, just go through this prompt. I'm not going to share you this prompt because it's up to you. You have to mention your all the things what you have, what you need basically, and then you can actually do this. I mean, it will actually give you a prompt. Okay, then if you want to change anything, you have to mention here and then regenerate the prompt. Okay, now I'm okay with it, so I'm going to copy this. And let's go back to the command line interface, and here we are going to paste it. So to paste it, you cannot paste it through your mouse, you have to use keyboard. So the shortcut is, if you're from Windows, the shortcut is Ctrl plus V. But if you're from Linux, shortcut is Ctrl Shift then V. Ctrl plus Shift plus V. And now hit enter, then it will do rest of the work. But I will suggest you to start your XAMPP control panel. Okay, so go for the XAMPP. If you are from Windows, just type here XAMPP, then you will find here XAMPP control panel. But if you're from Linux, you have to go file system at first and then opt then lamp, and here you have to open terminal, and if you say here ls, you will find all the files. Now just copy this. Okay, manager Linux, so say here sudo super user do then /, then paste it. Okay, and hit enter. Now you just have to give the password, and then XAMPP will be open here. You can see now I can start MySQL database and Apache server. So it will actually create all the process. Here you can see it will create the database migrations also. It can do this because we have successfully start right this server. So now you don't need to do anything. Here you can see in the right side we have here to dos. So it will actually complete all the to dos and then give us a notification that it complete whole process. And here you don't have to do anything, just wait for the project completion. So I'm going to fast forward the video. So as you can see, we have successfully basically it complete all the to-dos. Okay, so here you can see it complete the whole project for us. Now we have to actually access the project. So go to the downloads, and here is our project. Here you can see this is our project, right? So we are going to open terminal here because we have to run a server. So we are going to say here php artisan serve. Here you can see server is running. Now we can actually copy this and paste it here. Hit enter. Here we go. We have login, and we have here login page. Now you can go for the registration also. You can say here /register. So you can register yourself, but let's just go for the login. And here we have the dummy data. Okay, here you can see admin@inventory.com, then password. So let's go say here admin@inventory.com, right? And password is password. Click here login. Here we go. We have dashboard here, we have categories here, but the problem is style is missing here, right? So I'm going to go back to the open core CLI, and here we have to mention that style is missing here in the dashboard, or you can say here style is missing after login. So it will actually solve the issues. We don't have to do anything manually. That's it. So here you can see we have successfully get here style sheet. Here you can see, and we have all the stuffs here, and we have dashboard, categories, products, right? We have everything here. Now still we are, we are missing here style here. Okay, because it actually working here. So okay. Now let's want to check that if it is actually working or not. All rest of the things. Okay, so I'll click here edit, and here you can see it's working. Yes, we can change it. Okay, let's say I want to change it. Let's say 99, let's say. And here if I say update product, here you can see price updated successfully, right? Now let's say I want to log out and I want to log in as staff. Here you can see staff at inventory.com. So I'll say here staff at inventory.com, password, hit login. Here you can see currently I'm logged in as staff. Here you can see staff. All right, it works perfectly. Now I've shown you how you can actually create this kind of Laravel project without knowing any code. Here you can see, and you don't have to do any coding here, right? You just have to follow some steps I have mentioned here. So that's it, guys. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.